everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Save A Lot grocery haul. I'm going to put a meal plan in the description box below. I have some little smokies, some real bacon bits, some cheddar cheese smoked sausages, Mexican style 4 cheese shredded iceberg lettuce, some cabbage, 5-pound bag of potatoes, 2 cans of the Pillsbury Grands biscuits, 2 of the original crescent rolls, cream cheese, some Oreo and Twix Yo Crunch yogurt, picked up the Magic Fruity Pebbles cereal, and I got some seasoning packs, some chili, taco, and 2 ranch packs. Got a loaf of Herner's bread, Herner's hot dog buns, Herner's hamburger buns, some Little Bite chocolate chip muffins, some Doritos, and some cheese balls. Picked up some spaghetti noodles and some Parmesan grated cheese, some Texas toast. This is the 5 cheese, some broccoli florets, steam in a bag, and the broccoli steam in a bag with cheese. Also picked up some of these crispy chicken strips, Worcestershire sauce, hot wing sauce, and ketchup. Picked up a bunch of cans today. I got 3 cans of pinto beans. I'm gonna make some soup beans. 2 cans of chili beans. I'm gonna make some chili. I got diced tomatoes for taco salad and whatever. Some Hunt's meat sauce for spaghetti. Sliced potatoes. I'm gonna make a vegetable soup. Mixed vegetables, green beans, peas, and 2 cans of refried beans. Also a crushed tomato can. And picked up 11 packages of meat. This was a stock haul. So I have 4 ground beefs for various recipes, taco salad, chili, vegetable soup, things like that. And I got 1 of these pre-pattied beef patties here, or pre-pattied ground beef patties, 2 of the minute steaks, 1 package of cube steaks, so they're hamburger, boneless country style ribs, blade steaks or pork steaks, and I also picked up a bottom round roast. Also spaghetti for the ground beef as well. A bunch of recipes using ground beef. So this has been my grocery haul. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links, as well as a meal plan, and check the cards for additional links as well. And thank you guys so very much for watching, and most of the recipes and stuff I talk about are in my In the Kitchen playlist, so definitely check that out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.